Hello, this is Brett from EWF. How's it going? Here's a new video on Bitcoin. Many of you asked for it, especially in the last video I published on the Nasdaq. If you haven't seen it, I recommend to go watching it. It's playing out beautifully. I'll leave the link in the description, as well as it should be popping up right now as I'm talking. So with Bitcoin, the situation is quite interesting. It's following our analysis, but there are 2/3 alternates that I'm tracking down. So as you can see, this is my main count. To be honest, I don't particularly love this count. I'm not married either to one count or the other, but this is the one that could play out. This is kind of the most bullish of the bearish. So this is still bearish. It still means that all of this, basically from today and up till April of this year, of last year, because now we're 2022, by the way. Happy New Year, everyone. We basically were in a flat correction of A, B, and C. So that's a possibility. So what I could be forecasting is that we have wave down for wave 1, up and 2, very sharp wave 3, sideways 4, so we would have alternation between 1 and 2, and then a clear 5-way structure. Here it is. Let me mark it out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 5. Now, what I don't like about this count is this. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I was to take this and drag it on the side, there's no overlapping, but it doesn't look like something we would want to see. We will, of course, would like to see something more like this, right? This is more, in a way, it's more beautiful to see something like this rather than this kind of ugly impulse wave to the downside. So with that being said, one alternate would be a double XY. So we could have down for W, up for X, down for Y. Now, when I say that, just put a minor degree. Could be A, B, C again. A, B, and C. One lower degree. I'm not gonna mind the degrees too much as of right now. I just want to show you what I mean. So here again, A, B, and C. And the question is this A, B, and C, or a 3-wave move? A, up for B right now, down for C. I think this is also possible. Here we have a clear A, B, C on one lesser degree. So I think this alternate could play out. I think it's quite valid. If we're not in an expanded flat, which we also may get. So an expanded flat basically means that we're going to break the low of this wave A, or where wave A. If not, if the count I just showed you was correct, we are in a running flat, so wave C does not break the low wave A, or else it is also valid. Now, let me get rid of all of this, and I'm going to present you the bullish scenario. So the bullish scenario says wave 4 completed right here. It pairs up to this wave 2, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways to the upside. Down for A, up for B, down for C, and now we're just going to explode to the upside. We're just going to finally go to 100,000, if not more, potentially more, and then at that point we are due another move to the downside, which could potentially take us back to the 25,000 area. So what I don't like about this count is how this wave 4 pairs up to this wave 2. How come? Well, we know that correction of the same degree tend towards equality in both time and magnitude. Now, this wave 2 is, in my opinion, let me know what you think, by the way, in the comments. Happy to know what you guys think. So in my opinion, this wave 2 is much longer in both time and magnitude, especially time, than this wave 4. Which is why, if you look at it from this perspective, this wave 4 looks much more familiar as a wave 4 to pair up to the wave 2 to the same degree. Now let's go back to the bullish. So what I do like about this count is that this can be counted as 5 waves up. I'm not gonna lie, it can be counted as 3, but I think it can also be counted as 5. And then this could easily be counted as a 3-wave move rather than a 5-wave move, which is also what the scenario of the complex WSY presented. So what all counts are telling me is that at this point we could expect upside. The difference between all 3 counts is how much more upside we have. In one, we're going around here and then we fall back. In the flat scenario, we're gonna go up here, potentially around 100,000 and fall back. And in this one, we could be due another 3 waves to the upside and then fall back down. So I guess we'll see. For the time being, I'll just leave you with this. As I said, let me know in the comments what you think. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the next update. Last but not least, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.